Okay, got some preliminary designs for my camera slider, my 8-foot slider. Got adjustable holes in the bottom, got a hole in the back for wires, got holes in the sides for wheels. Got adjustable holes here for the wheels in the bottom, horizontal. We got the vertical wheel holes here, and got that all laid out in Cura. So there's that. And then over here, we got it started. And hopefully this first layer goes down alright. We'll get working on the lid, and so far so good. Okay, working on the top of our camera dolly. Get the bottom done already, sitting on the rails. And over here, we're just getting ready to start the end caps for the rails. Okay. Got our 3D printed brackets for the aluminum rail. Squared up and clamped down. Nice and tight. Could have got some bigger clamps, I suppose. So, we're going to hot glue everything here. And we're going to drill it on two bolts on either side on diagonal to give it a little bit of shear strength. And this is going to have to be a fairly quick operation here. Got the glue gun good and hot. I've designed these clamps so that they just clip around. Let me dial this camera up a little bit. It's going to be 2 of them. We got one on the printer right now. And then these can just slide, keep the distance of the rail consistent as the trolley goes down it. And it clears the rails, clears the clips. So you pull it back down here. Setting camera. So it clears the clips. There'll be 2 of them. And we're also going to go ahead and reinforce the bottoms of these plastic brackets with plywood because, well, we want it to last. And you're putting $4,000 worth of camera gear on this thing, so we want to make sure it doesn't fall apart mid-use. Okay. This is a Swanson Speed Square. One of the most handy dandy tools you could ever own. And it makes mark out and layout really easy, no matter what you're doing. So, make sure we don't go out past our little block. So I'm going to put one at 3/8 of an inch here. And then we'll do the same. I'll just bump it over here. Go to 3/8 here. That should be sweet. Yeah, you can punch these before you start, or you can just do like I'm going to do and just drill them. Probably should have moved that one back just a smidge. I forget my, I don't have my metric tape. Those are 20 millimeters, which is what, 3/4? So yeah, that would have been a little foobar on my part. So we'll come back to might as well just come back to here, I guess. I was going to do them in a diagonal. I should have made those little plugs a little deeper, but you know, it's print time, more and more print time. Bunch of old hardware from the shop. You don't see regular screw tips much anymore. And there's a reason for that. They're a pain in the ass. Little lock washer and a nut. I'd much rather had a Phillips head or something else in there. But that's okay. Use up all that old hardware. You can find it everywhere for free. Well, I'm just going to use a pair of pliers instead of digging through and finding a nut driver. Right. See if we can get a little light action. I got the camera slider set up temporarily. I'll start doing some test shots on the big rocket. That's what it looks like right there.